Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today we're going to be cooking my ultimate favorite pulutan, which is the buffalo wings. It's a simple recipe. You can recreate it at home easily when you're hosting an inuman night or with your family. Okay, here it is guys, it's the finished product. So I'm gonna try, I wash my hands so I can eat it by hand. The best way to eat this food is of course by hand. This is a finger food or a hand food or something. Alright, so this sauce is also perfect with with the spicy food because this one has laban, which is pretty much a milk, and you guys might know it already, but milk helps tame the spiciness of any food. So you add like that, dip it in, and then you can cleanse your palate with some vegetables. This is really, really good guys. I wish I had a beer right now. Again, this is Wawo. See you next week.